Hello JCRSN, I am Kanan Agarwal and you are watching The TV Talk. Almost after 2 years of the pandemic, the 10th edition of WOW, Wonder of Words is organized in an offline mode in JCRC campus. The first and the second year students of the university were seen with the complete enthusiasm and zeal. This 3-day event started on March 2022 and was inaugurated by the Vice Chairperson Shri Arpit Agarwal. And the event ended on March 12, 2022 with the vote of thanks of Dr. Geeta Garwa, Assistant Professor, Department of English, and Mr. Selinder Pratap Singh Bhati, HOD Journalism and Mass Communication. On the first day, Shri Nand Bharadwaj was the guest of honor. He is a former director of Doordarshan and a renowned writer of Hindi and Rajasthani. He spoke on village, Chaupal, Khet, Pangat and Rajasthani literature. In the second part of day 1, Kavi Sammelan and Mushaira was organized. And 5 poets named Tanuj Dadij, Prashant Sharma, Rishi Dikshit, Utkarsh Rajpurohit and Akash Tiwari were invited.
आंखों का जो काजल बनाया है तो देख राधे रानी को यूं श्याम मुस्कुराते हैं।
वाह वाह वाह।
आसमां की बिजली को पाजेब बनाया है तो पाजेब की धुन पे वो दौड़े चले आते हैं।
वाह वाह वाह।
चांद की वो चांदनी हालत में सजाई है तो सारी सुध खो के श्याम चांद भूल जाते हैं। और ऐसी भोली सूरत है देख प्यारी राधे की तो श्याम भी दीवाने होके राधा नाम।
वाह क्या बात, क्या बात।
प्रेम यही है दोस्तों।
ये लॉकडाउन में 21 दिन का जो पहला लॉकडाउन था उसमें दूर जो प्रेमी युगल है उनके लिए देखिए क्या लिख रहा है प्रेमी वियोग में कि मन मेरा है चंचल कोमल बिल्कुल बहते पानी सा। सुनिए कि मन मेरा है चंचल कोमल बिल्कुल बहते पानी सा।
वाह।
एक सिक्के के हम दो पहलू सिक्का वो प्रेम कहानी का।
वाह वाह वाह।
एक सिक्के के हम दो पहलू सिक्का वो प्रेम कहानी का।
In the presence of Shri Dhimant Agarwal, Director of Digital Strategies, JU budding authors of the School of Mass Communication were given a chance to launch their books. Yash Aktawat's book Khayalon Ki Awaaz, which is based on poetry and stories, and Divya Ghia's book named Khidki, which was a photo book. On the second day of this event, students perform in various genres, including poetry, stand-up comedy, story narration, and many more. Moreover, Meghna Pant was the guest of honor. She is a writer, author, and a feminist. She wrote 8 books. Her best-selling book is Boys Don't Cry, which is soon to be a movie adaptation. Also, she launched the books of budding authors of JCRC University, that is made by Misri by Akshita Singh, and Bilal Mohammad's photo book Capture. On the last day, the guest of honor was Sohini Roy Chaudhary. She is a classical dancer and founder director of Sohini Moksha World Dance and Communication.
देखिए हम तो इंडियंस हैं तो हमारे इंडियन कल्चर्स इफ आवर रूट्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ आवर कल्चर देन व्हेन वी लर्न अदर कल्चर्स दैट कल्चर आल्सो can be easily learned if you know your culture well. It's like your mother tongue. If you speak your mother tongue well, you learn English better, you learn French better. And I think today is the age of internet, video games. So there's a lot more distractions. So I think we teachers have to pull up our socks and make it so attractive, so kind that no student is distracted from our own arts and wondering about other things. I think the responsibility falls on the teachers to make it a very attractive, very kind and very inclusive way of teaching the Indian arts.
मैम आपने बैक टू बैक 2 लिटरेचर सेशंस लो लिटरेचर इवेंट्स और फेस्टिवल्स अटेंड करे हैं। पहला था आपका JLF और दूसरा वंडर ऑफ वर्ड्स। तो मैम आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा बीइंग इन वंडर ऑफ वर्ड्स?
Between you and me, but this will be broadcast and telecast, so all of you will know. This is more important to me because as I said, my world and the world today is by the students, of the students and for the students. So speaking to students who are more honest than a lot of adults, that uninhibited, honest, pure discussion and communication is more important to me. So this was very precious and I'm very honored to have been a part of it.
Other things that comprised the day 3rd were panel discussion and the book launch of Akansha, MA-JMC student of JCRC University. Her book is Letters from Fall. Other budding authors were Drishti and Chitradhir. Her book is Back to Basic.
तो देखते हैं वाव को लेकर स्टूडेंट्स में कितना उल्लास है। आपका नाम?
अनन्या अग्रवाल।
तो अनन्या, आफ्टर अटेंडिंग ऑल दी ऑनलाइन सेशंस, वेबिनार्स, बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाता था सबके लिए, तो अब फाइनली वाओ ऑफलाइन हो रहा है 2 साल बाद। आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आप प्लीज़ हमें बताइए।
I am personally really excited as I'm a student of literature and I am a student of batch of 2020, right? So हमने offline देखा ही नहीं wow. So this time I am seeing it for the first time. So it's a really great experience for me and being
मुझे वाओ में बैठ के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मैंने सुना है कि आकाश है वो बहुत अच्छे कवि है, तो मुझे उन्हें सुनना है।
तो काफ़ी उत्साहित हूँ मैं कवियों को सुनने के लिए, जिसमें से कि आकाश तिवारी जो कि हमारे BGMC डिपार्टमेंट का एक स्टूडेंट रहा है, तो काफ़ी उत्साह दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बच्चों में और मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके।
So this is our immense pleasure that we are here in Wonder of Words. So this is going very fantastic and I'm very happy to be the part of this great event.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching JU TV.